भगवते वासुदेवाय वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुता पदकमलं मतिर्न कृष्णे परतो सतो वा मिथो विपद्येत गृहभृतानां मतिर्न कृष्णे. Those who have taken it a vow that I shall remain in this family life and improve my condition, grihabhratana, grihabhrata, grihastha and grihabhrata are different. Grihastha means grihastha ashram. A man is living with husband and wife or children, but the aim is how to improve spiritual life. That is grihastha ashram. And one who has no such aim, he simply wants to enjoy the senses, and for that purpose he is decorating the house, decorating the wife, children. That is called grihabhrata. Or grihamedhi. In Sanskrit there are different terms for different meanings. So, those who are grihabhrata, they cannot be Krishna conscious. Matinna Krishne parato satova. Parato means by the instruction of Guru or instruction of authority, parato. And satova, sata means automatically. Automatically is not possible even by instruction. Because his vow is that I shall remain in this way, grihabhratana. Matinna Krishne parato satho va, mitho vipaddita, mitho, but by conference, by meeting, by passing resolution, if we want to become Krishna conscious, that is not possible. It is all individual. I have to surrender to Krishna individually. Just like when you go to the sky on aeroplane, it is all individual. If one aeroplane is in danger, other aeroplane cannot save you. That is not possible. Similarly, it is all individual. It is not parato sato va. One has to take it seriously, personally, that Krishna wants, so I will surrender. Krishna said, Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam saranam bhaja, so I will do it. Not that when my father will do, then I shall do, or my husband will do, then I shall do, or my wife will do. No. It is all individual. It is all individual. And there is no restraint. There is no restraint. Ahituki apratihata. If you want to surrender to Krishna, nobody can check you. Ahituki apratihata. Jeno atma samprasidati. When you do that individually, collectively, if it is done, it is good. But it has to be done individually. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna